Welcome back. In this video, we want to take a closer look at the Protect tab. And the Protect tab allows us to restrict the amount of editing that will actually happen with the document that we're going to be sharing with others to complete. And if you open the tab, you're going to come to this dialog area on the right-hand side, and you can set what can be edited. So for example, if you choose this box, you can designate that everything is going to be limited in terms of formatting, or you can have a recommended minimum. Now, two things that you're going to want to pay attention to. Number one is making wholesale changes to the theme. You're probably going to want to block this, and so you want to keep this area ticked. The other thing is to block the quick style set, and again, this is a wholesale change. You'll probably want to keep this ticked. The thing that you probably won't keep ticked will be the auto formatting, to override formatting restrictions. In most cases, you're going to leave this unticked. Now, the most important aspect is going to be your editing restrictions, and that you understand the choices that you have here in this drop-down menu. Now, the most conservative thing would be that you will only allow track changes to be edited. What you can also allow is that the only changes that can be made would be commented changes. You then know what someone did according to their comments. You can do it so that forms must be filled in, or you can just allow no changes. Again, the most conservative way of being able to allow editing, yet to be able to track what's happening, would be to use the tracked changes. And by using these features, you'll have the ability to work with others on a document and yet keep track of what's happening in the final edit. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.